Today we are going to solve this equation to find the x and y solution. X plus y equal to 10, xy equal to 100. From x plus y equal equation we are going to find y. Y equal to 10 minus x. So this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2, this is equation number 3. In equation 2, equation 3, x equal to 100. So x 10 minus x equal to 100. So multiply this 10x minus x square equal to 100 minus x square plus 10x comes left hand side minus 100 equal to 0 by minus 1. So x square minus 10x plus 100 equal to 0. A equal to 1, B equal to minus 10, C equal to 100. Now x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now x equal to minus 10 plus or minus square root of minus 10 square minus 4 times of 1 times of 100 by 2 times of 1. X equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 400 by 2. X equal to 10 plus or minus this square root of minus 300 by 2. Now x equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 300 into square root of minus 1 now by 2. Now x equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 into 3 into minus 1 by 2. Now x equal to 10 plus or minus 100 square root into 3 square root into square root of minus 1 by 2. Now x equal to 10 plus or minus square root of 100 is 10, square root of 3, this square root of minus 1 is I by 2. X equal to, we are going to take 2 common out from this. So 5 plus or minus 5 square root of 3i by 2. This 2 cancels this. So we have x equal to 5 plus or minus 5 square root of 3i. Now x1 equal to 5 plus 5 square root of 3i, comma x2 equal to 5 minus 5 square root of 3i. X in equation 3. So y equal to 10 minus x, y equal to 10 minus 5 plus 5 square root of 3i. So y equal to 10 minus 5 minus 5 square root of 3i. So y equal to 5 minus 5 square root of 3i. This is y1. Y equal to 10 minus 10. y2 equal to 10 minus 5 minus 5 square root of 3i. We are substituting this. So y2 equal to 10 minus 5 plus 5 square root of 3i. So y2 equal to, this is 5 plus 5 square root of 3i. x1 y1 equal to 5 plus 5 square root of 3i, comma 5 minus 5 square root of 3i. This is x1 y1. x2 y2 is equal to 5 minus 5 square root of 3i, comma 5 plus 5 square root of 3i. 2. Verify. In the equation x plus y equal to 10. 5 plus 5 square root of 3i plus 5 minus 5 square root of 3i equal to 10. This cancels this. So we have 5 plus 5 equal to 10, which is 5 plus 5 is 10. So LHS equal to RHS. Now we are going to verify with the equation xy equal to 100. 5 plus 5 square root of 3i and 5 minus 5 square root of 3i equal to 100. We are going to use the formula that a plus b, a minus b equal to a square minus b square. 5 square minus 5 square root of 3i square root equal to 100. This is 25 minus 5 square times of 3 square. This I is minus 1 square equal to 100. Now 25 minus 25, this is into 3, this is minus 1 equal to 100. Now 25, this is 75 minus 75 equal to 100. 25 plus 75 equal to 100. So 100 equal to 100, which is LHS equal to RHS. That's verified.